Now I'm going to say something that might sound completely absurd to you. What if I told you that I only sleep in my bed whenever I have company or whenever I have someone that's going to sleep next to me? What if I saved the sheets for when someone else was going to sleep on it? What if I saved the pillows and the nice blankets for when somebody else was there to enjoy it? All other times, I sleep on the floor. That sounds crazy, right? Why do we have a bed unless it's there to support the person that sleeps on it? Why do we have a bed unless we want to have a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated and ready to go the next day? Well, why do we have anything nice? Why do we save the other nice things for when company comes over? Why do we save the other nice things for whenever someone else can see the things that we have? In the meantime, we're metaphorically sleeping on the floor. So every time we reserve the best of our things for other people, we quietly reinforce the belief that someone else's comfort matters more than our own, or someone else's joy or pleasure matters more than our own. And even though we would never really say those things out loud, our body is saying them for us. Our nervous system is activating a way that our body contracts and feels for ourselves. Even though we're not giving those thoughts words, our body is expressing them in our lives, right? And so those expressions over time become beliefs. Many people spend years expressing worthiness as a performance. It's something that you do. It's something for other people to see. But worthiness, and if you really want to have a sense of self-worth, which is really way more important than what other people consider about you, right? You really want to have a sense of self-worth to go out into the world, to accomplish the goals that you have in life, to accomplish the things that you want to have in your life, to acquire the things that you want to have in your life, to live the kind of life that you want to live. That real sense of self-worth is not done for performance. It's done for honoring yourself. It's done through daily little rituals to honor yourself. And one of the best ways to practice this, because self-worth is a practice, one of the best ways to practice this is through self-honoring, little moments of self-honoring. And we need to stop believing that these moments of creating beauty in our life and using the best of the things that we have are self-indulgent or are overindulgent, or that they're worth someone else's attention or someone else's enjoyment. We need to start honoring ourselves. We need to shift that perspective of overindulgence or self-indulgence to self-honoring. Because when we honor ourselves in the way that we honor other people, if we were to treat ourselves the way that we treat our guests, if we were to treat ourselves the way that we would treat the pastor that came over for Sunday dinner, if we were to treat ourselves in the same manner that we treat other people, we would start to believe that we are just as worthy of the best of the things that we have. I think we've misunderstood the concept of devotion. Many people devote themselves to their families, to their children, to their spouses, to their work, to their friends, to their family. But very few people actually devote themselves to the one person that's going to accompany you at all times through all things and is really the most important person that you should be devoting yourself to, and that is yourself. This is not narcissism. This is not selfishness. This is stewardship. Because remember, whenever you give those things to yourself, whenever you fill your own cup, you are more readily available to fill the cups of those around you. Whenever you honor yourself through these tiny little acts of self-devotion, you are filling your own cup so that you can show up for the others in your life. You are being a good steward of actually being alive so that you can enhance and influence the lives of those that are alive around you. So instead of thinking of this as narcissism or self-indulgence, we need to really honor ourselves, be devoted to ourselves, and to the act of truly being alive. I get it. So some of you may be saying, but it's kind of sad to set a table for one, to just use the good china for me, to buy flowers just for me, to light a candle just for me. It's kind of sad. It amplifies the fact that I'm eating dinner alone, and that makes me feel lonely and sad. But it's not sad. It's not depressing. It's not signaling to your body that, oh, I'm alone. When you use the good china, when you buy flowers for yourself, when you light that candle, when you sit down by yourself ceremoniously, beautifully for dinner, it's not signaling to your body that someone's coming over for dinner, it's signaling to your body that someone already has come over for dinner, and that somebody is you. Your life does not begin when someone arrives to witness it. Not when your friends come over, not when your family members are present, not when the pastor comes over for dinner, not when you find a special partner. Your life is happening now, whether those people are here or not. This meal, this moment, this morning, this Tuesday, this ordinary day, life is happening this moment. This is your life, and it deserves your presence. So tonight, I want you to set a dinner for one. I want you to break out the good china. I want you to light a candle. I want you to use the good flatware. I want you to use real glasses. I want you to plate your plate beautifully. And I know that you're going to be so impressed with yourself that you're going to be like, oh my God, this is so beautiful. I have to take a picture for Instagram, but don't. That's part of the assignment. I don't want you to take a picture of it because it's not about impressing others. It's about impressing yourself, right? It's about you feeling worthy of this moment in this moment for your life. So tonight, make a great meal just for you. Set the table just for you. Take your phone, put it in the other room. No scrolling, no TV. You could put on some lovely music in the background if you want. But no phone, no distractions. Sit down, enjoy the moment, enjoy the beauty just for yourself. And while you're sitting there eating your food, I want you to ask yourself, if someone I cared for were sitting here in this moment, experiencing this moment, how would I want them to experience it? How would I want them to feel? And I want you to do your absolute best to make yourself feel how you would want other people to feel in that moment. Because the person sitting in that chair is someone worthy of this moment, and that person is you.